Hi, everybody. In this section, the invoicing best practices in audit triggers, we're going to talk about the best practices of invoicing, what you need to do on a daily basis, and then also the audit triggers that are triggered, the red flags and audit triggers that are part of the third-party audit. And if you haven't been audited before, if your file hasn't been audited by a third-party consultant, then you're probably due. You're overdue. And so what we're going to do in this section is talk about all of those things, because our goal is to keep you off the radar. And by keeping you off the radar, that means that you're producing a good invoice without any holes in it. And so in this section, that's what we're going to talk about. So I look forward to seeing you there. Talk to you soon.